Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A day or two before applying fertilizer, water your lawn thoroughly. After grass dries, apply fertilizer. Then lightly water again. This second watering is vitally important because it washes fertilizer off grass blades and into soil.
Take our lead.
Although the best practice is to water fertilizer into your lawn immediately after you have applied it, you can wait up to 24 hours after fertilizing before you water during cool weather or if you are using a slow-release fertilizer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Typically, you should water the grass just before applying these fertilizers, or apply them in the morning when the grass is still wet with dew. The moisture helps the fertilizer granules stick to the weed leaves. Do not apply weed killer fertilizer when rain is expected within 24 hours.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.